Okay, before video, I explained you about the few simple stretches and 2 or 3 exercises how you can help yourself if you have spinal stenosis. But what you can do further strengthening your back and lower body, I'll show you muscle by muscle how you can strengthen your back and lower body. First, we will start with the glutes muscle, because all the postural muscles like your glutes, your quads, your calf are always getting weaker, and they also need support from your antagonist muscle which supports these postural muscles like your hip flexors, like your hamstrings, like your everters and everything. So I'll show you step by step how you can strengthen the muscles of your back as well as lower body. So what we will do first is lie down flat on your back. First, to start with the glutes, I'll show you how you can strengthen your glutes muscle. You need to just squeeze your buttocks and lift up slightly. Don't lift your back, just lift your buttocks and then relax. You can see I'm squeezing my buttocks, lifting the back up and then relax. Do it again. Squeeze the buttocks, lift it up, just hold it. My back is all relaxed. I'm just lifting up my buttocks and then relax. What you can do this is just squeeze it, lift up, hold it for 10 seconds, because 10 seconds is more important, because if you are strengthening any muscles, it takes 10 seconds to get activated. If you don't hold it and just do it like this, then you will not strengthen any of your muscles. So always squeeze it, lift up, hold it for 10 seconds and then relax it. The second is the adductor muscles, here the inner side of your thigh. I'll show you how you can strengthen it. You can put any towel roll or anything in between, and what you can do is just press against both of your knees. You'll feel a strong sensation here in inner thigh, and you need to activate your adductor muscles and relax. Again, press both your knees, hold it and relax. I'll show it once again. Put some towel roll, press it and relax. The second important muscles associated with your lower back and glutes is your piriformis muscle. I'll show you how you can strengthen your piriformis muscle. Just lie down one side. What you can do is put your hip and knee slightly flexed, not much, your ankle touching each other, and what you have to do here is your upper body and your pelvis should be in the same line. It should neither be rotated more or less. It should be in one line, and you have to just lift your knee up. Your ankles should be stable. You don't have to move your ankle. You have to just lift your knee. So the muscle here will get activated slowly. While you are lifting your knee up, just don't rotate your pelvis like this. You don't have to rotate your body. What you have to do is just put your pelvis stable here and just lift the knee as much as you can. You will feel a pressure here at the buttocks level, and that is your piriformis which is getting activated. So just gradually lift it up, hold for 10 seconds and relax. This is the most important muscle because it always helps in walking, in standing and everything. So just hold it and relax. The fourth muscle I'll show you is your hip flexors. How you can strengthen your hip flexors. You can just lift it up with your hip, hold it and relax. Here we are just focusing on the hip flexors. Don't press your knee. I just need the hip flexors to get activated. So we can do here is this and relax. Just while doing this hip movement, always pay attention to the other leg. It should never be straight, because if you lift up straight, then these leg muscles get activated. So I want the muscles to be relaxed. So bend the knee and put it in a relaxed position, and then lift the other leg which you have to activate. Hold it and then relax. Slowly again, lift up, hold and relax. Now we can do some static hamstring exercises, like I'll show how you can activate your hamstring muscles. What you can do is, we can take any towel roll, just a simple towel roll. Place the towel roll, put it under your heel And what I want to do is just press the towel roll with your heels. What we are doing here is we are just activating the hamstring muscles which are located at the back of the thigh. So we are just pressing it. You can see my hamstrings are activated, and then I'm relaxing it. Pressing again with my heel and then relaxing it. I'm just activating my hamstring muscles. So what you have to do is just place a towel roll, put your heel like this, press your heel, activate your hamstring muscles, and then relax it. This way you can strengthen all the muscles of lower legs. Now focusing on the calf muscles. How you can do calf strengthening is, what we can do is just pull your ankles in as much as you can, hold, and then relax. The other important activity in ankle muscle strengthening is your everters muscles, the muscles which put your feet outer side, these muscles, because it pains a lot if you have spinal stenosis. So what we can do here is just take your foot outwards, hold, and relax. You can see here, take your foot outwards, these muscles are getting activated, and relax. Again, take your foot outwards and relax. Take your foot outwards and relax. So these are step by step the muscles of your lower back and your leg you can strengthen if you have spinal stenosis, because spinal stenosis is narrowing of the spinal canal, and spinal canal are like, they have the nerves which supplies the muscle to whole of your lower body. So it's always very difficult for them to like walk and do daily activities. But by this video you can see how you can stretch your body, how you can strengthen your muscles, and it can create better improvements in your daily life. Thank you.